pattern up. It's just no way to get it through.
This young rookie's got 26 years with the Phoenix Police Department, 20 years as a motor. And I'll tell you, we love you to them. And he sings an inquirer. Brother Billy's coming down to the final end of it. Way to go there, Billy. We had fun, Billy. 81.9 for Billy, 81.9. Thank you, Billy. 93, the contestant out there on the course right now. This is our own Toby Erler. Toby had a little trouble this morning, but I'll tell you what, watch this young man when he puts all of it together. And I'll tell you, folks, when he gets done and goes that final stretch and stops down there, make all the noise you can, because this guy is tireless in his work trying to raise money for Special Olympics. He will browbeat sponsors to death. Money, I guarantee you. He does a great job of it, and they even like him when he's done. One of our veteran motor officers, one of our veteran instructors, this is none other than Toby Erler. 22 years he's been riding motorcycles for us. Boy, I tell you, I think he likes this run a whole lot better. His lovely wife Marie and their 7 children are probably cheering him on right now, sure. Kick you know what, Toby, come on, buddy. That's his wife out there taking pictures of him. Oh, way to go.